Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, black color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now I draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use green color. The alphabets of D. Kids, again use green color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now I draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now I draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter. Kids, now I draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use blue color. The alphabets of J. K. K for kite, K for king. It's neither L. L for lion, L for lemon. It's neither M. M for moon, M for mango, and use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, neither R. R for rose, R for rat, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, neither T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers. And first is 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. Blue color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4. And use yellow ochre color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids neither 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 6. S-I-X 6. The numbers of 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7. And use black color. S-E-V-E and 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids neither 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.